Well, a windy one today with top wind gusts ranging from 40 to close to 50 miles per hour. And in fact, at Dewey Beach, we did have a wind gust up to 51 miles per hour. That was reported at around 1 p.m. this afternoon. Of course, those winds coming in out of the north and west were helping to bring in some of the colder weather, and it is going to be a lot chillier tomorrow. And even right now, temperatures dropping into the mid 40s, which is way cooler than what we were seeing 24 hours ago at this time yesterday, where we had temperatures in the mid 60s, which is impressive for the time of the day in mid-November. Right now, we have northwesterly flow in the wake of that cold front that did pass through earlier this morning, and that's producing a few lake effect snow showers in parts of New York and Pennsylvania. We're not going to see any of these snow showers, but it's this air mass that makes it so we have trouble escaping the 40s for tomorrow's daytime high temperatures. Then the next system in the pipeline, this piece of swirling energy, a wave of low pressure crossing through the mountains of the western United States, and that's going to make it towards our way by the time we get to Tuesday night, bringing with it some rain showers. And we'll show you what that looks like on our zoomed in futurecast. So tomorrow, it's sunny, brisk temperatures struggling to get out of the 40s with a gusty northwesterly breeze. Tuesday starts off with a good amount of sunshine, but we're going to increase those clouds later in the afternoon. And then rain showers pretty much all night on Tuesday night going into Wednesday morning. This should move on out here by the time we get to the later morning hours on Wednesday. So Wednesday itself looks dry, but we'll probably be left with some lingering cloudiness. Here's the wind gust map for Monday, by the way, coming in out of the northwest once again, and gusts could approach 30 miles per hour at times. So the gusty breeze has some marine statements. We've got a gale warning for the Atlantic Ocean, the Delaware Bay, and then a small craft advisory for the Chesapeake Bay. Now, we do expect a gradual moderation in those temperatures, likely climbing back into the 60s for high temperatures by the time we get to Friday and beyond into the weekend. It's definitely a cold look for the start of this work week with a trough in the northeastern United States. Then a bit more of a ridging structure by the time we get to later this week, Friday into the weekend. So this is why we do expect that warm up. Again, high temperatures in the 60s Friday and even into this following weekend. Tonight, it's going to be pretty chilly, temperatures dropping into the upper 30s for the most part with a brisk breeze. Then for tomorrow, upper 40s to lower 50s with sunny skies, but a bit on that chilly side. And again, those gusty winds anywhere I'd say from 25 to maybe up to 35 miles per hour at times, with increasing clouds later on Tuesday, rain showers Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Drying out for Wednesday, but quite a bit of cloud cover, ranging anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies. Slight chance for a passing rain shower here or there on Thursday, but it does look like a wet day. But again, mostly cloudy skies. 64 degrees on Friday. Once again, a partly to mostly cloudy sky with a chance for a few showers. Friday night, again, another chance for rain showers into Saturday morning. And then it looks like the weekend itself will trend drier the second half of Saturday into Sunday. A mixture of sunshine and clouds, and temperatures still staying fairly mild with highs in the low 60s and nighttime lows even a little bit mild.